Okay, I have changed the question on the review, final review. So one question changed. One question is finding mean of the data set. So I changed it to make a frequency table and a histogram. Let's do, so with this data set. So first we recognize this data set is not in order. So first step, we want to put in order. Let's find the smallest value in this data set. 25, right? So 25 is the smallest one. The second one, 29. Then we don't have 30, so 31. Then 32, two 32s. 32, 33, 35. 36. Then 237. 38. Lastly, 42. Okay, so I want to make a frequency table. And I have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13. Well, different numbers I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And to make a 9, that's just too many. So maybe I use class intervals. I do class intervals. So how many classes I want to make? Maybe I make like 5 classes. Right? Let's see, if I start with 25 to 30, maybe. Let's try. So 2 columns I need, right? So this is the data. I don't really know what this data is. So I just put data here. So frequency here. Right, if I want to make a 5 class intervals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So maybe I do 20 because of my range. So how do we divide? How do we do class intervals? So we use the biggest number, subtract the smallest number. So what do we get? We get 17, right? 17, if we make 6, so if we make 5 intervals, then that would be length will be 3. Right, 3 times 5 will be 15. And the first one, I could have one more. The last one, I could have one more. So maybe the first one, I do 25 to 29, right, which is a 5. Should I do 25, 29? Okay, let's do 25 to 28. So the next one will be 29 to 28 minus 25, that's 3. Then add 3 to 29, that would be 32. Then 33 to 36. Then 37 to 40, right? 41 up to 44. So you see, 28 minus 25, that's 3. 32 minus 29, that's 3. 36 minus 33, that's 3. 40 minus 37, that's 3. 44 minus 41, that's 3. So I divide it into 5 class intervals. Right now, I just count the frequency. So 25 to 28, I have 125, no 26, no 27, no 28, so the frequency is 1. From 29 to 32, 129, 131, 232, so I have 4. Frequency is 4. 33 to 36, I have 35, 36, that's 2. Then 37 to 40, I have 37, 37, and 38, I have 3. 41 to 44, I have 142, so 1. So that's it, that's my frequency table. Now, once we have frequency table, we can draw our histogram, right? Let's use a red color. Histogram, remember we have vertical axis, we have a horizontal axis, right? Vertical axis is the frequency. FRUQ, see what? Okay, frequency. And the horizontal is the data set because I have no idea about what data is. I just write data here because the question doesn't tell me what those data represent. I just put data here. So frequency, I look at it. I have a number from 1 to 4. So I only need, so I will start with 0 here, right? 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here. So my increment, you see, my each increment have to be the same. Then my data set runs from 25 to 42, right? 25 to 42. So you see, I do 25 to 28. So I need to mark 25 to 44. So let's see, 25 to 28. Let's start from here. So this is 25. 25 to 28. For the first one, we don't really need to care. Okay, from this 0 to the 25, we don't really have to care about it. So 25 to 28, because I need 5 of them. So I'm going to make a 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So I need to mark down the numbers. 25 to 28. I don't really need to write down 25 to 28. I could just write down the first number, 25, 29, 33, right? So 25, this is 29. Then next one, 33. I just write down the first number in the class intervals. This is 37. This is a 41. And this is a 44. So from 25 to 28, I only have 1. So I mark like this, right? Then 29 to 32. Oh, actually, why I make 33? Oh, because I marked the first number, yes. So I have how many? I have 4. Okay, 33 to 36, I have 2. 37 to 40, I have 3. Then 41 to 44, I only have 1. Okay, that's it. If you want to do like this, that's fine. If you want to shade it the box, that's fine, right? If you want to even make more obvious, you write 1 here, you write 4 here, 2 here, 3 here, 2 here. Right, so that's for making a frequency table and a histogram for a numerical data set.